Cineglow Projector Review. Does it work or a scam? I'm going to tell you if the Cineglow Projector is worth it or a scam. This projector claims to offer full HD 1080p resolution, LED brightness, and wireless connectivity at a budget price. But does it deliver? Many buyers report low brightness, blurry images, and weak built-in speakers. Some even say it barely matches 720p quality. Another red flag: aggressive marketing and fake reviews. The company behind it has little online presence, and there are complaints about slow shipping and no real customer support. So is it worth it? If you are looking for a quality projector, there are better, more reliable options out there. Be careful before you buy.